The Toyota Yaris is the kind of car that makes everyday driving feel simple and straightforward. This 2016 Yaris Excel has covered 58,770 miles, has had 2 owners, and comes with Toyota's 1.5 VVT-h petrol hybrid engine paired with an E-CVT automatic gearbox. Around town, the hybrid system and smooth automatic transmission make it particularly easy to drive. While the compact size is useful for parking and tighter streets, it's also a comfortable option for commuting, with climate control, cruise control, and a reversing camera making daily journeys a little easier. The XL specification adds some useful equipment too, including a 7-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth, DAB radio, rain-sensing wipers, heated electric mirrors, and push-button start. Being Euro 6 and ULEZ compliant is another advantage for city driving. Importantly, this Yaris comes with full dealer service history, giving you a clear maintenance record. It comes with fresh service, fresh MOT, and 3 months warranty, extendable up to 2 years. Nationwide delivery can also be arranged.